most respected father, sisters, my colleagues, and to all the students. Travel as much as you can, as far as you can, as long as you can, as life is not meant to be lived in one place. Today, 27th September 2020, is a very special and memorable day to celebrate World Tourism Day. It is a time to chill, to cheer, to shine, to inspire and to be inspired. A very warm welcome to one and all. On behalf of the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, the Department of Commerce welcomes you all to join and to commemorate the World Tourism Day. The United Nations World Organization had themed the year 2020 as Tourism and Rural Development. This year, the opportunity to promote the potential of tourism and to create job and opportunities. It can also advance in inclusion and highlights the unique role of tourism, which can play in preserving and promoting natural and cultural heritage and curbing urban migration also. Harnessing tourism as a driver of rural development will keep the global community on track to achieve the agenda of 2030 for sustainable development, which is the ambitious plan for people and planet. It is conceptualized to celebrate World Tourism Day in a positive and creative manner, incorporating visual celebration, the best to revive the COVID-19 and lockdown phase in the tourism sector, an enlightened path to move ahead. A traveler without observation is a bird without wings. It is honored to be surrounded by so many special people and to be blessed in the fellowship. May the excitement of the day enthuse you. May its enchantment surrounds you, and fellowship that we share creates happy and smiling memories. May the magical moment be many and memorable. Now, with the blessing and the permission of Father Principal, may we announce the opening of the event. Let's begin the journey.
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुसर्वसराराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढकुल्पाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणाधीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय धीमहि
India is a country of rich culture and architectural heritage. Many world-famous monuments were built over different periods of time, are still present in their full glory. This architectural wonder speaks of the past. Among many world-famous monuments, the Tajul Masajid has its own special place. Almost everyone in India is familiar about Taj Mahal built by Emperor Shah Jahan. But the story of Taj al-Masajid, whose construction was started by Begum Shah Jahan, is known to few. Tajul Masajid, as the name already defines the mosque as the crown of the mosques, hold a quite long story about its construction, as it took more than 100 years to build it. In 1886, when India was under British rule and small princely states were dominated by Indian Nawabs, one of them was Begum Shah Jahan, the ruler of Bhopal. She wished to construct biggest mosque because of her strong affection towards her religion. The mosque was not completed due to the lack of funds, and after a long layoff, after the War of 1857, construction was resumed in 1971 by Allama Muhammad Imran Khan Nazvi Azhari and Maulana Sayyid Hashmat Ali Sahab of Bhopal. The construction was completed by 1985. During this stage of construction, the entrance, which is also the eastern gate, was renovated in a very grand manner. Tajul Masajid is a 19th century mosque with a magnificent structure. The sprawling mosque is situated in Bhopal, the capital city of Madhya Pradesh. As one of the most elegant buildings in Bhopal, it stands tall with a pink facade. The mosque has a pink facade topped by two 18-story high octagonal minarets with marble domes. An impressive main hallway with attractive pillars and marble flooring. Resembling the Mughal architecture, the likes of Jama Masjid in Delhi, and the huge Padshahi Mosque of Lahore. It has a courtyard with a large tank in the center. It has a double-storied gateway with 4 recessed archways and 9 Qasb multi-fold openings in the main prayer hall. The massive pillars in the hall hold 27 ceilings through squinted arcs, of which 16 ceilings are decorated with ornate petal designs. North part of the mosque is for women, whereas the main worship area is at the south. It is also said that the architecture of huge entrance door of the mosque is inspired by the Buland Darwaza of Fatehpur Sikri. People usually assume that the Jama Masjid in Delhi is the largest mosque of India, but in actual, Tajul Masajid hold the title of largest mosque of India, and it is the second largest mosque in Asia. The palace of Begum Shah Jahan is in front of the Tajul Masajid. She wanted to see the mosque from her palace. She also wished to use Belgium crystal for the floor of mosque, so the reflection of mosque is visible in it. But because of Islamic tradition, red stone was used instead of the Belgium crystal. 1,75,000 people can offer their namaz at a time in this mosque, which is spread over 4 lakh square meter area.
ताजुल मसाजिद की खूबसूरती ने हमारे शहर भोपाल की खूबसूरती को और ज़्यादा बढ़ा दिया है। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि मैं आपको इतिहास से रूबरू करा पाया। अच्छा चलता हूँ, दुआओं में याद रखना।
هنا لدلالته كنز الكرم عذب الكلم هادي الأمم لشريعته أزكى النسب على الحسب.
Today, events are central issue within our cultural, economic and traditional part of the economy, evidence of intense growth of the economic role in one's life. Imagine a world where time stands still, a world where tradition meets modernity. Anurag Palace, yes, Anurag Palace, famous for exclusive 66 destination weddings. The palatial structure, center courtyard atrium, 2 banquet lawns beautifully done, complementing the white palace at the background. The wedding is a choice of all to celebrate the most beautiful day in one's life. Love is not an emotion, it is the essence of inner sense in one's heart. Destination celebrations are so much in trend these days, and this was our first experience with destination anniversary celebration, and I hope my efforts have reached you in showing what all we have seen and experienced with this kind of celebration. Thank you everyone for watching the virtual tour with us.
My name is Aarti Sharma and my name is Sanjeevini Nave, and today we are presenting most favorite morning and evening snacks. So here we go. So first of all we will talk about mocktails. Here we have two mocktails. First it is Sunshine mocktail and this is Margarita mocktail. This is made up of lemon and this one is made up of guava. Okay, the second thing which we have made today because of this rainy season weather. So we have made two types of pakoras. The one is onion pakoras and the second one is potato pakoras. Okay, so here we come. We have jalebis, we have samosa and we have proper Madhya Pradesh style poha. First of all, I would like to say it is very healthy and digestive. Stay healthy, stay fit, eat healthy and stay at home. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We wish you a very happy tourism day. Thank you everyone.
Sapamagata kita tadi midirana. Sapamagata kita tadi midirana. Sa rigatabari rigareni sa rigatabari. Sapamagama gapaga karisanisa karisanisa. Don't this time me young. Say yeah. Takita tadi midirana. Takita tadi midirana. Karisa Karigaza C'est comme si, c'est comme ça. Ma chérie, la 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 la. Carissa, li va badida.
Hi, I am Amandeep from Becom Travel and Tourism. Today I made Rajma Chawal as it is my favorite dish and it is very popular in states of Punjab and Delhi. Rajma is made in typical tomato gravy with some onion, green chilies, tomato, and it is served with some rice, some chapatis, raita, some sliced onion, cucumber, green chilies, tomato and pickle. Along with this, people in Punjab like to drink some lassi and like to have some dessert like besan ka halwa. I still remember my mom used to give rajma chawal in lunch and my friends loved it. Today, this rajma chawal is made by me. I hope it is as good as my mom's.
हाय गाइस, तो हम हैं एक बहुत ही स्पेशल जगह पर और इस स्पेशल जगह के बारे में हमें बताने आए हैं रौनक जी।
सो खुशी, ये एक भावेगिरी जैन श्वेतांबर तीर्थ है जिसको 100 साल से ज़्यादा हो गए हैं। यहाँ पे हमारे महावीर स्वामी भगवान की मूर्ति है, गौतम स्वामी भगवान की मूर्ति है और अजितनाथ भगवान की मूर्ति है।
ऑलराइट, तो रौनक, इसको एग्जैक्टली क्या कहेंगे हम? मंदिर कहेंगे या तीर्थ कहेंगे? एग्जैक्टली हम बोलते क्या है? क्योंकि आई हैव हर्ड पीपल सेइंग,
एक्यूरेटली ऐसा होता है कि कोई भी मंदिर को अगर 100 साल से ज़्यादा हो जाता है तो उसको हम तीर्थ कहते हैं। तो बेसिकली इसको 100-150 साल हो गए हैं तो ये एक तीर्थ है।
ग्रेट। तो यहाँ पे कुछ स्पेसिफिक टाइमिंग होंगे जब हम शायद विजिट कर सकते हैं, तो आप बताना
अगर आपको मंदिर के अंदर जाना है तो 6 से 11 तक का है सुबह, एंड शाम में 5:30 अराउंड खुल जाता है, 8 बजे बंद।
ग्रेट। सो गाइस, दिस इज एन अमेजिंग प्लेस टू विजिट और मैं बिल्कुल चाहूंगी कि आप आए और यहाँ पे विजिट करें।
Hello friends, today I'll tell you about the famous dish of Orissa, that is Indori Petha. It is the famous dish of Orissa which is prepared in a special day and it is prepared in turmeric leaves. Indori Petha is a variety of pethas made in Indian state of Orissa, mostly in the northern and the central region. The ingredients used in this are turmeric leaves, black gram and rice flour and coconut and jaggery. It is mainly prepared in the Prathama Ashtami for Sakara Dhupa, which means breakfast. And it's so yummy and tasty.
I wish I could fly as the stars invite me every night. From the tall peak of Mount Titlis to the far reaches of the Lake Titisee, Europe offers some of the best scenic beauty for the tourists and residents alike. Places that recite a story through pictorial representation, like the Chapel Bridge in Lucerne that spans over the Reuss River. It has 147 paintings on it depicting the history and legends of Lucerne. The crystals of Swarovski are a sight to behold, and the creations made are magnificent. The architecture of Germany make a person envious of their own surroundings. The beautiful natural creation of Rhine Falls in between civilization. And lastly, the magnum opus of the man, the Eiffel Tower, for which no words are enough to describe it.
मगर ऐसा जरूरी तो नहीं कि खूबसूरती सिर्फ बाहर हो। झीलों की नगरी भोपाल न जाने कितने ही सुंदर नजारों को अपने पास समेटे हुए। अब चाहे बात हो बड़े तालाब की या ताज और मस्जिद की। मुंबई का भी हाल कुछ इसी तरह निराला है। जुहू बीच, मरीन ड्राइव से लेकर मुंबई सेंट्रल जैसी जगहों को यहाँ की लोकल ट्रेन्स ने जोड़ के रखा है। हरि का द्वार हरिद्वार, न जाने कितने ही श्रद्धालुओं ने अपने पाप यहाँ पवित्र गंगा में धोए।
Whatever may be the place,
whatever may be the culture,
one thing remains the same everywhere:
the ultimate peace and relaxation.
We have hundreds of languages to communicate with one another,
but the language of happiness is understood by all.
Ethnicity changes,
food changes,
even the race changes,
but the smile remains the same.
Life is worth living, life is worth traveling.
I'm sure you'll make the best out of it.
Happy World Tourism Day!
Hi, my name is Musa Rafi, and today I am going to present you Mughlai cuisine. Mughlai is a type of cuisine that comes about by the concept of Mughal rule in India.
During that time in India's history, the food was rich and cooked with aromatic spices, nuts, and dry fruits. This type of Indian cuisines originated in northern India in places of such as Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. Traces of Mughlai cuisines can also be found in the cities of Bhopal and Hyderabad, where Central Asian cuisines largely influenced its flavors.
So I would like to start with chicken dum biryani. It is a classic dish of Mughal Nizams. Is an eye-catching aromatic rice loved by all. Then we have the burani. Burani, it is a traditional yogurt. It is made of sour, dahi and coriander, and it is normally drank after heavy meals such as biryani and pulao in order to aid digestion. Then we have Mughlai chicken. Is a North Indian recipe with a creamy dark brown onion gravy that will have you licking the plates, and served it with rumali rotis and the sheermals and with some salads. Then we have the Sikh kebab. It is made with spiced minced or ground meat, usually chicken formed into cylinders or skewers, and grilled it as typically cooked barbecue or in a tandoor. Then we have tandoori chicken tikka, and it is one of the most popular chicken starter. It is also popular across the world. Chicken tikka is cooked chicken that is marinated in spiced yogurt mixture and then grilled to perfection. So we would like to take this with some green chutney which is made of coriander, So then we have our dessert, the meethi sevaiye. Cravings for sweet food, then meethi sevaiye is the best option for you. It is a quick and easy to make recipe and very tasty and sweet dish. So now I'm going to have it. Eat healthy, stay at your home, and goodbye.
The journeys that are less planned ends up being the most beautiful ones. Exploring new destination is like you are invading into the strange and the unknown. It makes you feel euphoric. The feeling is addictive and you wanna dig out through more such scenic beauty, lying in the arms of landscape while experiencing the wonders of nature. To refresh our minds in this pandemic with natural beauty, visited the Amargarh waterfalls, which is located in the hearts of Radhapani Wildlife Sanctuary in Hoshangabad district. The total track till our destination is about 14 kilometers, and that itself is a beautiful experience. The 80 feet tall waterfall will be a sight to behold amidst all the natural beauties, and it's worth capturing in your memories.
शामें मलंग सी, रातें सुरंग सी, बागी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए। दिल पे सवाल है, जीना फिलहाल है, खाना बदोशियों पे ही जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए। मेरा फलसफा कंधे पे मेरा बस्ता, चला मैं जहाँ ले चला मुझे रास्ता, बूंदों पे नहीं गहरे समंदर पे ओ, 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 इलाही मेरा जी आए आए। शामें मलंग सी, रातें सुरंग सी, बागी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए। तू ही है, बस तू ही है, मेरी हर हंसी में तू ही है, तू ही है, बस तू ही है, हर लम्हे में और साल में तू ही है, बस तू ही है, मेरे गम खुशी में तू ही है, तू ही है, बस तू ही है, तेरी दोस्ती हर हाल में। घर मुड़ के देखो जो मैं जरा तो कभी ना रहा तुझसे जुदा यारा, तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है यारा, तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है यारा, तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है यारा, तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है। खुशियाँ चुन लेता है मेरा यार। दुनिया से वो लड़ जाता है मेरे लिए, लेकिन मुझसे हार जाता है मेरा यार। घर मुड़ के देखो जो मैं जरा, तो कभी ना रहा तुझसे जुदा।
A very warm, graceful morning. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked hard to make this event success. A special mention to our principal, Reverend Dr. Father John PJ, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as pillars of strength. I also like to thank our Vice Principal Dr. Soni Kurian, Sister Morris for their constant support. I am immensely thankful to Dr. Amit Nag, HOD, Department of Commerce, for his encouragement and untiring efforts. A special thanks to Yogesh sir for his technical support. I extend my hearty vote of thanks to the students of Tour and Travel Management. A special thanks to Mr. Sujit, second year TT, for sparing his time to compile the entire event. Thanks to Musa, Advaitya, Rohit for helping us out for making this event happen. Thank you very much. Stay safe and healthy.